Radhika Khanna, founder of Joe's Cafe, a professionally trained pastry chef, and I also hold an MBA. So after completing my education, I pursued my passion for cooking and baking and has turned that into a structured business plan now. So my career began with homemade chocolates and my career began as an instructor conducting classes for a cookery book writer, and then I moved on to making homemade chocolates, supplying to different outlets in Noida. And then now I'm turned into a premium baker, making customized desserts, whole wheat cakes and cheesecakes. My vision is simple, is to build a brand that people can trust, provide home-style food that is delivered with consistency, hygiene and attention to detail. As of now, there are 3 services that we provide: corporate catering, cafe management, and bakery products. I'll tell them in detail in the further slides. So bakery product happens to be the core of Joe's. Here the freshly baked products are made using premium quality ingredients and as per the customer's budget and taste preference and dietary requirements as well. So we do customized celebration cakes, whole wheat cakes, no maida is used in that. Classic New York cheesecake, brownies, dessert bars, protein bars, pastries, tea cakes, festive bakery hampers, and also corporate cake orders we take. Every batch is baked fresh to order. So nothing is pre-made and sold. If you place your order for tomorrow, it will be baked tonight. Then is corporate catering. It is providing reliable corporate food solutions for offices, be it your daily meal supply, lunches, for meetings, for events, high tea catering, and for breakfast and snack boxes. We've also supplied like 1,000 breakfast boxes to Decathlon for their launch in Noida. And cuisines offered are Indian, continental, Chinese, street food, and South Indian, all according to your budget and taste preference, and dietary requirements also taken into consideration. And these are some real pictures of the cafe and the food that we've made, all made by me mainly, that we've supplied so far. Then is cafe. I now run a cafe in a hospital in Noida. Started last year. That's the first retail space of Joe's. And there we provide fresh daily meals, 1 Indian meal a day, and a cafe-style menu. And we serve the patients, visitors, and the nearby neighborhood. I plan to have more of these setups because this gives me more visibility in different areas. And going forward, I want to open more of these and mainly corporate offices and universities because that gives me captive audience, structured work timing, and a predictable demand. So, and also allows me for smoother operations and better control of work, and gives good visibility to the brand in an already established setup. Now why choose Joe's? So why should you choose Joe's? Because I work on getting the basics right. Fresh ingredients, consistent taste, and customized menus as per your preference. Testimonial. Testimonials play an important part in getting repeat clients and referrals. And some of the screenshots are mentioned here. Isko zoom in, could you please zoom in? And if somebody could read 1 or 2 for me, because these are the real feedback that I got from few clients for the Christmas cake and the cafe menu. Mayank, if you could read one for me.
The Christmas cake was absolutely delicious, perfect in taste, full of flavor, wonderfully fresh, and filled with true Christmas vibes. Thank you so much for adding such a beautiful and sweet memory to our business. It truly meant a lot for us. Wow.
This was a rum-soaked Christmas cake that I supplied to a party. Then the cafe menu and somebody else in the neighborhood, they also ordered a few healthy bakes, wheat flour cakes, and that's their review, and the kid also loved it. So these are some of the feedback that I got.
I can read?
Yeah, sure.
Hi, the cake was absolutely delicious. Prashant, my husband, loved it so much. Prashant kept saying, "Mama, it was so good." We especially enjoyed all the dried foods. It disappeared in no time. We finished in 1 go. Thank you so much.
Thank you. And we are, you can zoom out now. That is my picture with 40 kgs extra on me. We are FSSAI certified, and everything is made with standardized processes and hygiene. So next is my give and ask. My giver too, Dr. Jyoti Khanna, she's my mother. Anybody needing any reference or any work with her, you can connect with her. And Raghav Gupta, he's an AI evangelist, if I'm pronouncing it right. And my ask today from this room specifically is more corporate catering opportunities, cafe setups, and cake orders, both bulk and individual, because we all celebrate occasions. And I believe all celebrations are perfect with good food and cakes. and that's something we do really well at Joe's. Thank you so much.